I put a question to a judge. Suppose two men have committed the same crime and are condemned to life imprisonment. One is single, but the other has several young children and happens to be their only parent as their mother has died. If you put the second in prison, the children will have nobody to look after them. What do you do? The judge replied that according to the law, the two men must receive the same sentence. Society will be responsible for bringing up the children. I could not help thinking that while from the point of view of the action that has been committed, it is quite normal that both men should be given the same sentence, but from the point of view of the circumstances in which that sentence is to be applied, there is tremendous difference between the two cases. By punishing the father, one will also be punishing the children most cruelly, and they did nothing wrong. The judge told me that the law has not anticipated any answer to such a problem.